Hello guys, welcome back to my channel where I will once again be doing something to my hair. So I'm just going to show you guys what's up with my hair since I dyed it. It's been just under a month. When I'm filming this, it is June 29th, and on June 3rd is when I massacred my hair. So this is the bottom length. This is about how long it is. The ends aren't too bad at the bottom because I was mostly able to cut that off. And when I take my hair down, that's my hair. It's a mess. The ends are it's showing up a lot more red on camera than it actually is, but basically the top layer of my hair ends about here. That's really unfortunate. I got this weird kind of ring going around the top. I never actually really noticed that till right now. And I have about like a centimeter of regrowth, which at least we're getting somewhere, right? So I bought some new extensions just because it is getting very, very hot and I wanted to have shorter hair. So I bought these. They are 15 inches. It's actually a lot longer than I thought it was going to be because I just kind of wanted to go for short, so I'll probably be cutting off a little bit of it. But this is it so far. I like the color. I'm going to put them in, and if it goes well, then I'll leave it. If it doesn't, I'm going to go buy toner sometime this week. So I'm going to put these in and style them and do a Ratchet hair transformation is what we're doing right now. So yeah, that's about it. You guys have seen me many times put my extensions in, so I'm just gonna get to it, style them, and do my makeup and do like a full look for you guys. So this is our before, and I will see you guys when my hair is looking a lot better. It's just in a little update. I've never done this before, but I accidentally bought clip-in extensions. So I'm gonna have to go in and cut the clips off of all these because I'm not doing clip-ins. There's my little insert. Okay, so I have cut all the clips off, put the extensions in. There's a little dent in it because they were just folded in the package. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut these and I'm going to curl them, and then I will be back to give you guys a final look. Yeah, so I think I am going to buy toner for them. I just don't think that the color of them and my hair match really well, but it also isn't like looking great right now, so we'll see. Okay, so pretty much this is what I did with my hair. When I bought the picture, it really looked like it had more of a root. When I bought the picture, when I bought the extensions, it looked like it had more of a root than it does. So I'm just gonna use this root spray to kind of blend it a little bit with my hair, and I might cut it a little shorter, but I like this so far. So. Yeah, there we go. So I mean, that doesn't look awesome, but it looks better than it did. Okay. So now I'm gonna do my makeup. I'm just gonna do my it's just a very light makeup routine that I usually do. This would be like my everyday makeup. So the first thing I'm going to do is my brows. Okay, sorry. So, eyebrows. I just have this little pencil. It's pretty shitty. It fell apart the first day I got it. But the tip is very, like, you know? It's just, the tip is very, I don't know, pointed, defined, however. So I have this medium brown Stay Put Brow Color by Milani. So I use this mainly for the middle portions and front of my eyebrow. And then I have Maybelline Tattoo Studio in 380 Dark Brown, which I use for the ends and to draw a few defined eyebrow hairs. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get started with that with my mirror that you can see here in the video a little bit. I'll move that down actually so I can see better. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and do this, and I'll fast forward it for you guys so that you don't have to watch me do my eyebrows for like 15 minutes. Okay, and because I'm weird, I'm gonna put powder in my eyebrows. So I just think that it like is setting your eyebrows a thing. It lightens them a little, it makes them stay all day, it just does something that I don't know how to tell you what it is, you know? Also, I have to do my eyelash extensions, so if you guys want to see that, let me know. It's not that complicated really, but you know, it's not everyone's thing. Okay, so because I lost my brush that I do everything with, I'm going to use this this, which I know it's for nails. I don't use it for nails, I just use it for my face. And I'm going into my Butter Bronzer. Smells amazing. As you can tell, I love it. And we'll just go in, you know. Okay, so I want to do my nose. There it is. I'm going to do it with this. It's not really a pointed brush. I'm not great at nose contour, but I just want my nose to look like the rest of my face, you know? So that's pretty much that. I'm just going to do that to kind of like blend it a little bit. And I'm going to use the exact same thing to do my blush. So, I've shown you this before. Basically all the same colors. I've kind of been doing, you know what, I'm going to use this one today. I don't know why, I just am. And I like to wear a lot of blush, and I do it on my nose too. I just find it makes me look like I've been in the sun. Little sun-kissed moment, even though my face doesn't tan. So that is that. I do not have eyelashes, so whenever I don't have eyelashes, I just do some very dramatic eyeliner. So we're gonna do that. Okay, that's gonna be my eyeliner. Eyeliner is a talent. Just so you know, if your girl can do eyeliner, fucking give her a high five. I don't know. That shit's hard. So now I'm gonna go in with mascara on my bottom lashes. So, I just wiped under my eyes, and now I'm going to brush out my eyebrows. Usually if I like them, I will just leave them like that, and in this case today I do. If they're ever too light, because that does happen sometimes and it gets weird, I'll just put some mascara in the hairs to make them a little darker and then brush it out, just to give it a little bit more depth. So now we'll just brush this off. And I always wear something on my lips, whether that be lip gloss or lipstick or all that, you know, lip chap. So here is my lip gloss. I really like this one. It's a little bit pink for me, but it does the job. So And pretty much that's it. If I do my makeup really sharp, I'll do lip liner and just be really precise, but this is my hair,